Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before let me introduce myself. My name is Mercurita Dewi Nopi Astuti. Today I will present my research about PR-doped bismuth ferrite thin film grow on quartz using chemical solution deposition. The field of alternative energy and renewable energy have undergone significant development in the last decade. Of the several alternative energy sources, solar energy is one of the most critical resources from the nature. The conversion of solar energy into electrical energy by photovoltaic is globally recognized. Photovoltaic is the most promising alternative energy source depending on the material, mechanism, and conversion efficiency. Ferroelectric is a new field of study in photovoltaic manufacturing and are attracting attention due to their high photon energy responsive and their suitability for photovoltaic application. In this research, I used a ferroelectric bismuth ferrite because bismuth ferrite have a high temperature curie, low bandgap energy, and a high remnant polarization. In this research, bismuth ferrite doping by plasmodium or PR, where a PR will replace a position atom Be, and Y used a doping plasmodium in the bismuth ferrite because purpose to improve optical properties of bismuth ferrite such as its bandgap and refractive index. Tool we use in the experiment, they are a skull, beaker glass, measuring cup, spatula, magnetic stirrer, furnace, and spin coating. Material we use in the experiment, they are bismuth nitrate, ferrite nitrate, plasmodium nitrate, acetic acid solution, 2-methoxyethanol solution, and acetyl acetone solution. Bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite were deposited on quartz substrate by chemical solution deposition or CSD. The first step was making the solution of bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite. As following, the raw material were weighed according to their respective chemical composition. The source material were out into beaker, then poured with acetic acid and 2-methoxyethanol. They were stirred continue using a magnetic stirrer for 60 minutes, and finally acetyl acetone was added into the solution and stirred for 45 minutes. Bismuth plasmodium ferrite were deposited on the quartz substrate using a spin coating with a rotation speed of 3000 rpm. Moreover, the bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite film were then annealing at a temperature of 600 degrees Celsius. The sample were finally characterized using SRD diffraction and UV spectrophotometer. Bismuth ferrite doping plasmodium or PR deposit on the quartz substrate have been successfully prepared by CSD method. The result of SRD characterization is shown in the figure 1. In the figure 1A, so another phase from in the bismuth ferrite. In the figure 1B is the magnification of the main diffraction peak, so that the addition of PR dopant caused the angle to shift to smaller one. It is because Figure 2 exhibits the lattice constant of the bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite obtained from the Jesus refinement process using Rietveld analysis and manual calculation. and the value from the two methods are not significant difference. Figure 3 displays the crystal size of the bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite film calculated using the Besker and William Hall method. Based on figure 3, using both methods, the crystal size in the bismuth plasmodium ferrite sample decreased with increased PR doping in bismuth ferrite. It is stated in that replacing the Ba set with a smaller ionic radius dopant induces a smaller crystal size. In addition, the replacement of the Be atom by the Br atom results in the change in the unit cell volume, resulting in a small crystal size. However, there is significant difference in crystal size value between WH and dBscalar. It may be due to the instrumental burn-in that has been corrected in the dBscalar method. Figure 4 shows the latest trend of bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite film. It's seen from the figure that the latest trend advances as the greater number of PR concentration. The increasement is significant from 0% to 5% PR concentration. Here, the latest trend increased due to the insertion of PR dopant in the bismuth ferrite crystal structure. Figure 5a demonstrates the transmission value of the bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium sample. It's shown that with the addition of PR doping, the transmit value tends to rise. It indicates a lower number of photons absorbed by the material. Meanwhile, figure 5b presents the absorbency value of the bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite sample, which is inversely proportional the transmittance value. Figure 6a is the lag dispersion of the bismuth ferrite and bismuth plasmodium ferrite sample. It reveals that the dispersion value is getting higher as the greater number of PR dopant. A conclusion, my research is the effect of PR doping of bismuth ferrite with annealing temperature and 600 degrees Celsius. The XRD results shown that the PR addition in bismuth ferrite caused the diffraction angle to shift to smaller angles so that the lattice constant changes to smaller volume. The crystal size also shrinks as the more PR doping while the lattice strength expands. Based on the UV spectrophotometer result, the transmitted spectra rise with the increasing PR number, indicating that the absorbency spectra decrease. Moreover, the refractive index and lag dispersion of the bismuth plasmodium ferrite sample increase and the greater number of PR doping. This is a reference we use, and enough my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.